In this video I'll show you how to remove the center bezel and the cup holder that is in the center bezel of your Camry 2002 to 2006. It's very easy to do. Alright, so let's get started. Pull the handbrake all the way up. And now you'll need a flathead screwdriver or something like I have, maybe even a knife, a really thin one. And you need to insert it. I find this place to be a good starting point. You need to insert it between these two plastic trims and lift it over. As you can see, these are plastic clips. They are all over this bezel. So you'll take your hand and unclip those from the front, unclip those from the right side, and you need to do all around like this, slowly, so nothing will break, and it will pop out very easily. It's not unusual for stuff to fall under this bezel, so take a look, you may find some coins there. Now if you wanted to remove the cup holder, it's held by 3 Phillips screws. Take your screwdriver and remove all 4 of them as I'm doing. Okay, the other 2 are on the other side. Okay, perfect. Now you'll need to take your flathead screwdriver again, or again a knife, something very thin, and you should insert it between these 2 pieces. So you can remove this plastic, you can even clean it, often it's full of hair and dirt. Now to remove the cup holders, all you need to do is take your thumbs and push it out of the casing. This way. And they're out. So now you can go clean them or buy a new one if the lid is broken. Please like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you in the next one.